Our personal health is very important in maintaining balance with our tribe, our family, and work. By examining how we take care of our personal health, we can make adjustments, follow new discoveries, and keep track of our improvements. As with everything in life, we need to observe without judgment and then proceed to an understanding, and then make wise actions that deal with personal health. If you follow every fad or idea that shows up, you will find yourself frustrated saying, none of these exercise programs work. Or, I don't trust anything doctors say. If you are unwilling to make changes or try new programs, you may not make improvements in your personal health ever. It's about finding balance between our tried and true routines and exploring new avenues of taking care of our health. The more you can observe a variety of health, diet, and exercise programs, the easier it will be for you to find one that fits your personal needs and goes along with your schedule that you have set with your tribe. There is no wrong way and there is no right way. There is only the way that works for you. This will depend on the resources that you have available, the health care that you have available, the type of food and supplements that you have available. This will depend on your level of education and your understanding of diets and physical processes and your economic status. The more that you understand and comprehend your personal health, though, the easier it will be for you to make a choice that is good for yourself. If you do not have the education level that you need to make all of these decisions and choices, you can turn to your tribe and/or your healthcare provider. The more knowledge that you have on physics, chemistry, and biology, the easier it is to sift through the information that may or may not be beneficial to you. If you can increase your reading speed and work on fine-tuning your memory skills, this will help you on your quest for knowledge and understanding. The more skilled that you become at mindfulness, the clearer your focus will be. This will prevent you from being distracted from the latest fad or the newest idea. The greater your knowledge and resources for a personal advisor will help you ascertain which plans are viable for your health and which ones are not. The routine for self-care may seem daunting. Examine your schedule of when you do things, then make judgments about your best course of action. This will involve journaling and observing your habits that you have developed over the years. There are some of the questions that you should ask yourself. These are some of the questions that you should ask yourself, and then write the answers in your journal. Write down the times that you have been going to sleep and the times that you wake up. Write down how many times you are napping and the time in the day throughout the week that you are taking them. What is your schedule for meals? When do you eat and what do you eat? Do you have a diet at all? Your diet is not what you are supposed to be eating. Your diet is what you eat. Write down what kinds of foods that you eat in your life. What is your schedule for hygiene? What is your routine for skin health, oral care, eye care, nose care, mind care, nail care, stomach care? When do you do these things? Write this down. What is your schedule for supplements? When do you take them? How much do you take? Why do you take them? Write these down. If you take prescription medication, what is your schedule for taking prescription medication? If so, what are you taking? How often do you take it? Why are you taking it? What effect does the medication have on your body? Are you scheduling routine discussions with your healthcare provider in detail? What side effects and what you can be doing to be better using the medication more correctly in your life? Write all this down. What is your schedule for exercise? What do you do? Are you doing it to have a certain body shape? What body parts do you move? What body parts don't you move? How do these exercises affect your mental health? Are you doing this to spend time with your friends? Are you doing exercises that you really enjoy? Write this down. Below is an outline of the things that we find important for self-care. With each of these, writing down all of this is the first step to observation. We are only asking you to observe what is going on with your life as it stands today. You may be doing things that work wonderful for you, but unless you try to view what you are doing from a different perspective and without judgment, it'll be very difficult to make a wise decision to keep these behaviors in your life or not. Below, we have the list of suggestions of things that you can become even more aware of. If you have any questions for us, or you feel like we're missing anything that is important in the outline, or anything that isn't important, please let us know. Forums, comment boxes, and the Kaivala social network is available to you. We are happy to help you in any way that is within our ability. Thank you for joining us on the road to Kaivala. You are great and wonderful.